Hi everybody, welcome back to this 10-minute Qigong session to start your day, shake off sleep, boost your energy and feel revitalised. So we're going to get started straight away. Standing feet hip width apart in a neutral stance. Let's breathe in, expanding the lungs and chest as the hands rise, and breathe out, relaxing as the hands come down, keeping everything nice and relaxed. And we're going to repeat this movement 6 more times. Shoulder rolls, so releasing any stress and tension in the neck and shoulders, and changing direction. Swinging the arms across the body, keeping this movement free and easy, nice and relaxed, and generally getting a little bit bigger each time we swing. And then we're going to add a change and transfer of weight from side to side. Inhaling as the arms rise up and exhaling with a big heavy motion towards the ground. Inhale, feeling light and heavy as we drop our arms. Standing with our feet hip width apart, keeping the knees bent, and we're going to do our hip circles one way, and then we shall repeat in the opposite direction. Raising the arms to shoulder height and opening the chest and expanding, looking across the shoulder and repeating that, feeling a nice opening across the body. Getting the full body involved. We're going to bend forwards over the knees like we're hugging, and then inhaling as we rise up, taking it slowly as we draw a line down that midline with our pressing palms. Really focus your mind on the moving hands and keep the breathing nice and calm. Again, to loosen the body, I'm going to place the hands in the lower back and just turn and rotate from the waist from side to side. Do keep this movement well within your comfort zone and keep everything relaxed and tension free. I'm going to arch the back so that we can lift the chest to the sky, and we're bending forwards, really using that upper body to expand and contract and open out and loosen off. Transferring the weight from side to side, and we're going to bring the hands across the body as far as you can towards the behind us and looking behind as well. So a nice full rotation of the torso here, keeping the breathing calm. And then we're going to gather the chi. We're doing a really big movement here, like we are bringing positive energy into our body, feeling revitalised, feeling refreshed, and feeling reset and ready for our day ahead of us. Nice big inhale as we rise, and exhale, trying to make that breath last as long as the arms are moving downwards. And then slowly bringing this movement smaller and smaller until we bring ourselves to rest. Please subscribe for more of these sessions.